Hey there, everyone. My name is Brandon, and I am a consultant here at ProVal. Today, I want to go over a new feature in RMM. This is the recently added ability to create suspensions from directly within the script editor. This is a cool feature because it'll allow us to temporarily pause specific alerts without having to turn off the monitor, without having to remove the device from wherever you're targeting against. So it'll allow us a little bit more ease in testing our scripts. Before we get started, don't forget to click that like and subscribe button in the bottom corner so you never have to miss another video. So the first thing we're going to do, obviously, is get to our script editor. So we can get there on the left-hand side in our blue dashboard by going to Automation, Tasks, and we're going to hit Add. We're going to hit Script Editor. Obviously, you want to give it a name. So we're going to just call this one right here, Test Script for Tech Tuesday. Oh, there we go. Clearly, I've already done this before. You want to give it a description and a category for best practice. We'll say test for right now, so we're not going to save this. And then we're here in our script editor. So how do we add the suspension? Very easy, just like everything else in the script editor. First, we're going to hit Add Row. Underneath Function, type the search. We're going to find Create Suspension. And this is where we're going to create our suspension. So let's say we have a monitor in our system to deploy EmiBot, and I want to uninstall EmiBot. So I'm going to create a suspension to stop the monitor from firing and redeploying our EmiBot solution. So we'll call this suspend EmiBot agent deployment. You'll want to give it a description, which is required for our sake right now. I'm just going to copy and paste this. And we'll say my script test is going to take an hour. So we'll turn this alert off for 1 hour. Now in this box, you can choose monitors or intelligent alerts or both. Ours is a custom monitor, so I'll click monitors. Over here on the right-hand side, I'll click select. And then I'm going to search for our monitor, EmiBot agent deployment. And we're going to select that one, save selection. And you should see now our selected monitor here. And we hit save. And then we'll add our row, and this is where we can throw in our script to uninstall EmiBot. So now we run the script. The first thing it does is it's going to create the suspension for the machines that we run it against. It is then going to run the uninstaller script, and that suspension will exist for 1 hour, stopping our monitor from firing off and redeploying our EmiBot agent. And that's pretty much it. Very straightforward and simple. Thanks so much for watching. We post a new video every week, so please feel free to comment. Let us know what else you'd like to see in other videos or if you have any questions. Thank you so much, and have a great rest of your day.